Listen, nobody is coming to pull you out of the hole you're in, and the moment you accept that truth is the moment your real life begins.
Most men wait for someone to rescue them, but every year they waste waiting only digs them deeper into the same problems they refuse to confront. Responsibility is heavy, but the weight of regret is heavier, and avoiding responsibility always leads you straight toward the one thing you fear most: wasted potential. If you want change, you're gonna have to build it with your bare hands, because nobody else is obligated to fix the damage you've ignored. Life rewards men who take action, not men who wait for signs, permission, or motivation that never shows up when they need it most. The painful truth is this: your future depends on what you do today, not on what you hope someone else will magically do for you later.
Motivation is unpredictable and weak, but discipline will show up every single day, even when you feel tired, lost, or completely unprepared. Any man can work hard when he's inspired, but the men who win are the ones who keep going when inspiration dies and everything feels heavy.
Your life changes the moment you stop relying on emotion and start relying on habits, because habits don't care how you feel that morning. Discipline isn't punishment, it's protection, because it protects you from the weaker version of yourself that keeps destroying your progress. Most men never improve because they think growth comes from feeling ready, but real growth starts when you act before you feel prepared. If you want to transform, build routines that lock you in and keep you moving, even on the days when your mind is screaming to quit. People leave, sometimes without warning, and no matter how hard you try, you cannot convince someone to choose you if they've already chosen to walk away.
Loyalty is rare, and the sooner you accept that not every heart matches yours, the sooner you stop giving yours to people who break it.
Some people love the version of you that benefits them, not the version that's growing, and they leave the moment you stop serving their comfort. Losing people teaches you the most painful truth, and your healing is your responsibility, even when the damage wasn't your fault. When someone exits your life, let them, because holding on to the wrong person will always delay the right future you're meant to walk into. Stop chasing closure from people who caused the wound. They can't fix what they broke, and you'll bleed forever waiting for them to try. Comfort feels safe, but it's trapping you, slowly convincing you that staying the same is good enough when your potential is screaming for more. Every dream you want sits on the other side of discomfort, and every excuse you use keeps you locked behind the same invisible wall. Comfort kills ambition because it makes you forget the hunger that once pushed you, turning you into a man who settles instead of climbs. If your life feels stuck, it's because you stopped putting yourself in situations that require you to grow into someone stronger. Success demands discomfort, and if you avoid discomfort, you avoid success, even when you claim you want it more than anything. Get uncomfortable on purpose, because the man who embraces discomfort becomes unstoppable in a world full of people who run from challenge. Your mind will create problems that don't exist and make you believe you're losing battles you haven't even fought yet. Most of your suffering comes from the stories you tell yourself, not from the reality you're actually living in. Your thoughts can either build you or break you, and if you don't control them, they will control every decision you make. Self-doubt is louder than truth, and unless you challenge it, you'll never become the man your future desperately needs. Your mind will convince you to quit before you even try, which is why resilience is something you must train every single day. Master your mind, or your mind will master you, and the version that masters you is always the weakest one. Avoiding failure doesn't protect you, it destroys you slowly, because every chance you avoid becomes a regret you carry later. You're not losing when you fail, you're losing when you refuse to try, because refusing to try guarantees you stay exactly where you are. Most men fear embarrassment more than stagnation, and that fear keeps them living lives that never become anything more. You cannot grow without discomfort, and failure is simply the discomfort that molds you into someone more capable. Stop avoiding failure and start using it, because every failure contains a lesson designed to push you closer to the life you want. Time is the only currency you can't earn back, and every day you waste is a day you never get the chance to rebuild. Most men underestimate how fast life moves, and by the time they wake up, they've already lost years to distraction and avoidance. If your life isn't changing, it's because you keep giving your time to things that drain you instead of things that build you. Your future is shaped by how you spend the next hour, not by some distant dream you never act on. The clock doesn't care about your feelings, it keeps moving, and the longer you procrastinate, the heavier the consequences become. Protect your time relentlessly, because once you understand its value, you stop wasting it on anything that isn't pushing you forward.
People don't care what you meant to do, they only care about what you actually did, and that's the truth men learn far too late.
Intentions don't build respect, progress, or trust. Consistent action is the only thing that proves who you truly are. You can have the biggest dreams, but without action, they're just fantasies that slowly turn into excuses.
People follow men who execute, not men who talk, and the world always rewards the man who follows through. If you want to change your reputation, don't announce it and show it through consistent action every single day. Your actions tell the world who you are, and when your actions align with your goals, everything in your life shifts. You cannot grow in an environment built for your old habits, and staying there will slowly drag you back into who you used to be. The people around you influence your mindset, discipline, and ambition more than you notice, and you become what they normalize.
If you surround yourself with people who settle, you'll settle too, because mediocrity spreads faster than motivation. Your circle is either fueling your growth or feeding your destruction, and you must choose which one you allow.
Protect your energy by protecting your environment, because your environment determines the man you're becoming.
Sometimes leveling up requires leaving people behind, and that's a sacrifice every successful man eventually has to make.
People ignore you when you're struggling, but the moment you rise, everyone suddenly wants to claim they believed in you from the start.
The world respects results, not effort, and that's why you must keep grinding even when nobody is clapping for you. Silence is your advantage. Build in private, grow in the dark, and let your success be the only explanation you ever need.
People don't notice your journey, but they'll notice your finish line, so stop trying to prove yourself and focus on winning. Nobody celebrates the beginning, but they'll show up for the victory, so stay locked in until your results speak louder than anyone's doubt. Remember, when you finally win, everything that hurt, broke, or delayed you will make sense, because it built the man you needed to become.